And now I'm going to discuss the structural and functional tactics that Abbott Labs is going to implement to accomplish their objectives, goals, and strategies that were discussed in the formulation section of this presentation. They're going to start off by rebuilding brand reputation. After bacteria was discovered at one of their plants in spring of 2022, CEO Robert Ford issued a public apology ensuring customers that they should feel safe buying Abbott products that are currently on their shelves. They also started shipping powdered formula from their FDA-approved facility in Ireland to the United States, to help cover some of the shortage. In his apology, Robert Ford said, "I want everyone to trust us to do what is right, and I know that trust must be earned back." They would also like to reopen and restart production at the plant in question in Sturgis, Michigan by the end of 2022. They are also going to be diversifying and creating forward-thinking products. They're going to be strengthening pipeline and expanding reimbursement coverage for their diabetes product, especially Freestyle Libre. They have been at the forefront of developing rapid at-home COVID tests. They have also developed the Abbott Pandemic Defense Coalition, which is the first of its kind. It is an industry-led global scientific and public health partnership dedicated to the early detection of and rapid response to future pandemic threats. This is one of the most effective measures they could have taken to remain at the leading edge of preventing future pandemics. They are also going to be cultivating a collaborative and innovative company culture. They have created a company culture of innovation where they are driven to create and improve ways to help people live healthier lives. They foster this spirit of innovation by tapping into diverse perspectives, people, expertise, and ideas to shape new methods of care. They are also the top employer of women, entry-level employees, and minorities.